Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorials. Topic what we are going to see in this session, that is deployment. Moving metadata changes from one environment to another environment is called deployment. Software deployment refers to the process of making the application work on a target device, whether it be a test server, production environment, or a user's computer or mobile device. There are various ways to deploy from sandbox to production. First, change sets. Most frequently used tool for deployment, we can create and test a new object in a sandbox org, then send it to our production org using a change set. It can contain only modifications we make through the setup menu. Second, ant migration tool. Ant migration tool is Java ant-based command line utility for moving metadata between a local directory and a Salesforce organization. We can use the ant migration tool to retrieve components, create scripted deployment, and repeat deployment patterns. Third, Forge.com IDE. Forge.com IDE is an integrated development environment for developing applications on the Forge.com platform using Apex, Visual Force, and metadata components. It is designed for developers and development teams. The Forge.com IDE is built on top of the open source Eclipse platform and is available as a plugin. Fourth, unmanaged packages. Unmanaged packages are typically used to distribute open source projects or application templates to provide developers with the basic building blocks for an application. Once the components are installed from an unmanaged package, components can be edited in the organization they are installed in. Thank you.